do a lock with a turn, okay? It's an easy turn, so no worries. Start with your left, and 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, pull her back, turn her out, and 1, 2, tap, step, 1, 2, 3. Good. This way. Ready? And 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, turn her out, 1, 2, tap, step, 1, 2, 3. And again, and 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, turn her out, 1, 2, tap, 1, 2, 3. Do it this way. This way. Okay. Ready? And 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, pull her back, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, tap, step,